They're the best in the show right here, boy. Definitely the best in the show. I want to know why people had these porta potties at the top of their car. Boy, my head was shiny as hell. Hey. Oh. Hey, on my shit. Hey. Oh. 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 My boy going crazy. Boy, look at these titties. Y'all see that? Hey, that fire.
Yep. Go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe and hit that notification bell for more videos.
There you go, man. Well, that's what I'm talking about, man.
Hey, Nigel.
Hello. Boy. Jeez.
Kaden, come here.
Oh, this motherfucker is thick as hell, boy. God damn. Motherfucker better fit on my screen. My God. Yeah, I see these big meat Larry Hoover's on this.
Don't let all the way to the back.
Hey, yo.
God damn. I love it.
This lady right here wants me to wipe her car now. I don't even wipe my own car. Look, let's try to act all innocent now. Try to act innocent out of the camera out there. I'm generous. I'm gonna do it today. I'm the boss.
Today for like the next 30 minutes.
Y'all hear that, man? It's gonna give me 30 minutes. Then she's gonna be back on me, bro. Let's see. I'm generous today, guys. I'm definitely generous. I'm gonna help her out today. Okay. Ain't too much of anything out here for real. Not yet. Oh, what the hell? Boy. Boy. What in the old town road it is, man? Boy. Okay, I understand. Oh, picture. Like it's pink. It's kind of funny though. Well, it ain't funny. It's kind of fire what I meant to say. The tailpipe is a heart. Hey, that's straight though. I can dig that though. Tailpipe a heart. Still some country shit though. Oh, for real? ACW did it?
I think they just that's one of the kids right there, Kaden.
Oh, true. This whole time, I done thought this was a Scat. It's go V6. Good V6. I see these brakes. And the Tyler to say roar. Ain't no roar in the V6, my boy. Aggressive. What's sitting on the ground? The inside though. Sheesh.
pollen is killing me with a black car. I don't care how many times I wipe this thing down.
Oh yeah, you can't escape pollen, my boy.
I'll swing by. I mean, if you need me to take anything, I will. And then
Ice under the hood.
and then the gears are not on these packages. But that's
Why did you tapping me with the camera?
Cause I'm gonna mess with you every show. Every show I'm on your head top. Look, look at what she look at it, y'all. Look at these snakes on the plane shit. Look at these snakes on the plane shit. Look at this, man.
Yo, I mean, man, like, hey.
Oh yeah, that motherfucker tough. 2020 River. Oh, is it? That one's in the 40s. My God. Yeah, it's tough too, man. Buy a little bit. Tough. Just need some good wheels though, heavy in the game. It's like all he's missing. Just some good wheels. Heavy in the game. For sure. This might be the GT model though, no cap. Yeah, it definitely is. Shout out Mopar Mafia. Boy. Okay, my boy. And he matching his car with the hoodie. Hell, Scat. Real Hell, Scat. I like the whip, my boy. Definitely looks good.
Keep clean.
Oh yeah, I already know, man. Especially with pollen season, boy. Make sure I go follow Wicked Man on 392. Oh shit. Boy. Alright now, man. Really? 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 Alright, now I ain't expect to see that. I gotta look at this, man. Reaper strikes again. Wow, I love this mug, man. It's simple, it's to the point. And he's sitting on 40s. He's sitting on 40s, man. This mug is tough. Too tough. Okay, my boy, hawk that curve, boy. Hawk that curve, my boy. That curve, my boy. Yeah. Oh, shit, my boy. But I got nerve with the camera. They rolled the windows up.
Yeah, it is.
Oh, this is a Barracuda. Oh, snap. Oh, I did not know that. Simple, clean, to the point. It's you? Ooh. Hey, don't do him like that, my boy. Don't do him like that, my boy.
You know how people like to shine.
Hey. My boy popped the hood confident and walked out real smooth. Man, this looks good. Jeez. I said I want to build an old school. I don't know, man. Honestly, this looks good, man. Got an Incredible Hulk. Snake skin interior. Yeah, I like it. I already know ASX posted up over here. I'm chilling. Posted up here chilling. Oh, we're posted up. Yes, Sirski. Yes, Sirski.
Oh yeah.
720. Yes, sir.
So are you registering now, right?
Good Audi.
Hard left, hard right again. All right?
Oh, we definitely can. I hear it can. It's short low key, but it still looks good. Ooh.
They got the R35 over there.
Damn, super tough, man. So it's not a red eye, regular cat, but it's 21, so it comes with the red eye hood. It's still tough. He drove all the way from Louisiana. Definitely drove a little minute. Also, want to look at this, man. I love this this honeycomb. Oh, this is literally his name. Y'all make sure y'all go follow that boy Honeycomb Scat 34. Real low key with it. I do like the color of these wheels. I'm gonna get y'all closer right quick. I love this color of the wheels. The color's tough.
For his enemies, so that they might escape the punishment that they deserve. John 3:16 says, "For God so loved the world that he gave his only begotten Son, that whosoever shall believe it in him shall not perish, but have everlasting life."
Super tough. Why this motherfucker here interesting, boy?
All y'all meet me up.
Boy, look at these titties. Yeah, I see that. Hey, that's fine. I fuck with it. Oh, I'm sorry, my boy. I fuck with it. So this is Harley Quinn, right? It is. Now I see the little. I like it. This is tough, man. It's definitely colorful. Definitely super colorful, man. Motherfucker naked on the side.
Go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe and hit that notification bell for more videos.
There you go, man. Well, that's what I'm talking about, man. C8 right here, man. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. I love orange for some reason. Do we want to wrap the building orange, guys? Do we want to? Do we want to wrap the building orange? Fall in love with the McLaren. I think I got this one early. Still, I just love orange. Oh shit. So man, this one is tough too. Trying to be red eye. And got the Confederate flag at the top. Oh, man. They got the Confederate flag at the top. But like this, this kid plays like the Bush dance and he tried to play it off, man. He's not gonna speed past it. Oh my goodness, that's funny. Man, oh man, oh man. With the music where he was parked at, with the music being so loud, I wasn't able to just record. I didn't want to get copyrighted, so I had to do a voiceover. But man, y'all can check out Hellcat Enforcer. Big shout out to him. He came out with the new reveal, the new color, the new wrap. Really pretty much knew everything. Y'all looking at the engine bay, he has it all hydro dipped. For starters, I love orange. The chrome satin orange was a perfect color to go with. He redid his wheels, the inner barrels did. New tie letters, new headlights. Man, he did everything on the car within like a month. If y'all do know Hellcat Enforcer personally, or you've seen his car on Instagram, his car was like dark blue with like lime green accents. Nobody expected him to show up to the port and talk with this new satin chrome orange. Check out the door jambs. The door jambs are forged carbon. And I like this satin chrome orange was a perfect way to go. Also has the forged carbon stripes. Now this is my first time seeing his trunk. It does look like it's hand painted. Big shout out to whoever did that. It looks super dope. Of course, he's got his speaker system back here. And this is like so much he did in a short span of time. Just crazy details. The inside. And of course, you got the porta potty at the top. Really a storage unit. This is a lot of stuff y'all can see, man. Check out the inside. Everything is hydro dipped. It's crazy. I was so mind blown when he pulled up. Man, I didn't even know what to say at first. Big shout out to Hellcat Enforcer. Hey man, you killed the show. I'm gonna link his stuff down below in the description. Yeah, you did that, my boy. Not gonna even cap, man. Hope you guys are really enjoying the video, man. There's a lot of cars out here. We still have a lot more to look at, man. So make sure y'all hit that subscribe button, drop a like, drop a comment. Continue to enjoy. Man, she must stayed over all night. Damn, it's tough. Boy has a Mustang. And he got a drag car to match it. Oh, excuse me, my bad. I'm sorry. I gotta see this shit. This shit crazy. I was finna go back and get my camera. Y'all see this little motherfucker, man? Y'all see this little? Look at this little motherfucker. No, this little motherfucker rolling, man. Look, head car though. So damn, they got that. Damn, they got the same thing right here. Car different, so you know I love Mustangs when they can drive and stay on the road. I got them big meat Larry Hoovers back here, bro. But boy, you gotta show me something. Well, I know some of these folks gotta move out the way.
I got you.
Can't run into nobody though.
Yeah, I know.
I know the more get loose. Ooh. Boy, that little motherfucker's cool as shit, bro. Oh my God.
Oh, my little
Damn. Motherfucker still rolling. Hopefully he don't wreck, you know. Oh. Hey, it's a Mustang. I remember that. It's still a Mustang.
Yeah.
And my boy look dumb as hell making this video. My boy getting that real TikTok content. Yeah, check him out. Boy, look crazy as hell, but I know the video gonna be dope. Oh yeah, let's do it. Yeah, let's do it. Let's do it. Oh yeah, hey. Oh yeah, hey. hey. Yes sir. Oh yeah, hey. What? He getting all them bitches. Bro, I know like it looks so crazy, but I know it's gonna be like when it's edited, I know it's gonna look far. My boy getting all of it. Hey. Oh. I ain't on my shit. Hey. Oh. My boy going crazy. Boy is going crazy. He's going stupid. Hey, so all this running he was doing? Bro, that looks crazy. Not gonna count. That looks crazy, bro. I'm finna make me a custom video right quick, man. Oh yeah, my boy gotta get right with it. Oh yes, sir. Yes, sir. Wanna get me right, fam. Give me right, fam. Yes, sir. Give me right, fam. Give me right, fam. Give me right, fam. Yes, sirski. Yes, sirski. I need that. Hope you guys really enjoyed the video. Hey, y'all make sure y'all do all the good stuff. Gonna end the video on a good smooth B-roll. Y'all make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Y'all be safe out here. Bless up.
Time of this shit right here.
Front line, DT. Nigga talking about they got motion, my dog out of chain, so I'ma let my nigga silk them. These bitches be pitiful. Half of these niggas were broke in my hood before they got a stimulus. That shit was critical. Stupid hoe thinking she poppin', she dancing, she ain't got no rhythm. I might still drill her. This paper I got in my pocket like books, it got me walking crippled. Little bitch, I'm a real one. All of that hating that them niggas be doing in the hood, I don't feel them. They know I don't fear them. I think I'm too high for my own good. Bitches like how I sizzle. You come through my hood, you might think you in Houston, cause everybody got a rocket with missiles. You come through my hood, you might think you in Houston, cause everybody got a rocket with missiles. I see people watching my move, they tryna do what I do. I get they don't know enough. My whole game motherfucking litty. You see we get paper, you know we be going up. Really got something to prove. Ain't giving these fuck nigga clue. They hate cause I'm blowing up. They thought a nigga fell out, they don't know I been grinding, so I'ma flex on them and show them some. On these beats I go harder, the street made me smarter. A young nigga had to go get it. I been running it up for a minute, ain't even had time to stop and check the distance. You know I been handling business. I been stacking paper, ain't been trying to spend it. They say that the snitch get stitches. I heard they been dropping dimes for a penny.
Fuck out of the internet talking when you see me in the street, bro, they go toe-to-toe.
Nigga know I ain't selling no weed, even in the summer, they know I'ma keep the snow.
20, some hundreds and 50, break with my people, cause I'ma go get some more.
When they come to the
It's your boy Pablo 7392, man. Jacksonville representative, Florida holder downer, whatever you want to call it, man. Come over here and check out one of these noggin rockets. And make sure you check out my boy, man. If you watching this and you got this far into the video, why not subscribe? Make it make sense.
Make it make sense, for sure. Ain't nobody here no more. I do it. Hold that motherfucker, my boy.